So how to enable Hey Google, Hey Google, Bixby, how to enable Hey Google and Bixby together on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To active your Google Access or Hey Google, go to your Google browser and make sure you are logged into with Gmail account. Now go to your setting, and under setting you can see the Google Assistant, and scroll all the way down. Then you can see the digital asset from Google. Select this one and select Google Assistant. If you select this Gemini, it will be go with Gemini, but I want to select Google Assistant. Now go back. Now here you can see the voice message match. Just enable Hey Google. That means your Hey Google is active now. Now for Gemini, go to your setting and search bar, type here Bixby, Bixby. Then you can see the Bixby setting. Now go to voice registration. Now complete your voice registration. For example, my Bixby is off. You go to voice registration, then press on next. Complete this process. Hey Bixby, set an alarm for 7 a.m. Hey Bixby, how can I make the battery last longer? Hey Bixby, raise the volume and play music. Once done, press on done. Now select Hey Bixby or Bixby. I'm selecting the Bixby. Now go back. Now Bixby. Now Bixby is enabled. Hey Google. That's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.